price negotiable at all.
How we gonna get it out of there?
Well, we're gonna handicap. Have handicap there.
Can you bring it back?
Sir, please stop pulling on the gate.
To be honest with you, I didn't even know it was part of that. I just thought it was maybe just another business.
It's not on the gate.
I need to have it on the sign.
Can you bring my truck back?
So we thought, okay, this is under construction. They're not working today.
How did you tell it was?
Insurance company.
Yeah.
$100, that's a rip-off.
Okay, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. We are here downtown Pigeon Forge in the thick of the rod run. Got a call from one of these golf courses, mini golf courses here in downtown Pigeon Forge, saying that they have several vehicles that have been warned for over 2 hours. They've had warning placards, warning stickers on them, and their time is up. I'm surprised that they gave them 2 hours to begin with, but here we are. Stick around, stay tuned. We're less than 4 minutes away. My goodness, they're all over the place. We are looking for a newer black F-150. Pulling in now, except I can't get through because of people sitting in the middle of the parking lot with their scooters and their golf carts. A newer F-150 is what they said. That's a GMC. That's a Ram. There it is, F-150, backed in with the tow notice. I'm hooking up to this one right here. Is this you? I'm hooking up to that one right there.
Get her, buddy.
Yes, absolutely.
We're followers from the UK.
Really?
Yeah, we're
That's
following
awesome.
that as well. We've been looking, we've been here since Monday.
Goodness.
Yeah.
Let me hook up to this one really quick and I'll hop out.
Right.
This one's parked illegally, so.
I'm gonna go do a walk around.
Okay.
Do a little walk around here. How you doing?
Good, you?
Good. Looks like no damages to report yet.
I can pull back out of the way if you need to.
Oh, let me ask him really quick. You guys should be okay. He should be able to get it. Let me ask him really quick. Thank you. Looks like a little maybe scratch right there. Go talk to Covin. Talk to the boss. Hey, this gentleman offered to to pull out so you can get it if you need.
That'd probably be very helpful.
If you guys don't care, it'd be super helpful. We should get it scooped up here in like 5 minutes. Thank you so much. And we've got our tow notice right here. Looks like they were notified at 9:42 a.m.
Thanks, sir. Okay, guys, as you can see, it is basically stop and go traffic here on the Parkway, downtown Pigeon Forge. People are getting pulled over left and right. As you can see, Mom blowing up my phone. Taco Bell is going off. State Trooper got him one up there. We actually managed to get this one. Got this thing loaded up. Of course, it was backed in. Got the warning paper off of their windshield. Again, I was surprised that we were able to get that one. Anyways, yes, we're able to get this one. Very surprising. I was there for a little bit. Shout out YouTube family. Did you get to talk to Beverly from the UK?
I didn't get to.
Oh,
I talked
man.
to another gentleman out there who watches the channel.
Okay. Yeah, Beverly from the UK. I think she was there with her husband?
Yep.
Beverly from the UK. Shout out to you. It was wonderful meeting you. I am so sorry that we didn't have more time to sit there and conversate. You know how it is. That's all I was telling you. You know how it is. These illegal parks get crazy. We've got to hook them and go just as quickly as we can. Hopefully you guys have a good time while you're in town. She said that they actually knew that it was Rod Run and they came here specifically because it was Rod Run and they wanted to see us and they wanted to see how crazy it was.
That car had been there for almost 3 hours, like 10 minutes shy of 3 hours.
Got this one loaded up. Shout out Beverly, shout out YouTube family. That's crazy, all the way from the UK. That just blows my mind that we have people from all over watching us. So super, super cool. Hopefully you guys have a good time. Hopefully you don't need us. She said she didn't even get a car, I'm pretty sure is what she said. So I don't blame you. Driving around on this is crazy stuff. So we'll get this thing back over to the lot, get it unloaded. If we ever get there, it'll probably be about an hour and a half before we get to the lot, all this crazy traffic. But
stick around, stay tuned. We'll see you in the next part.
Rod Run traffic. Thought we'd show you guys some of this stuff. As you can see, both sides of the Parkway lined up and down, all kinds of super cool hot rods. Lots of trucks in town as well. I believe they do a truck show same time as Rod Run here, so it is crazy, crazy, crazy busy. It is Saturday, April 18th. Crazy stuff. It's a nice truck, man. XLT. Should we talk about the fact that you was parked in a handicap spot?
Yeah, it looked like there were a really limited number of handicap spots, and he was parked in one of the only ones that we saw, at least.
For this business, mind you, and
yeah.
He didn't even go inside of this business. He didn't spend any sort of money inside of this business. He was parked there for over 2 hours, just out walking around the car show, taking up one of the business's very, very limited handicap parking spots.
Yeah, so apparently they're supposed to have a pass. They're supposed to go in and get a parking pass, and he didn't do that. And so they left that tow notice on his car at 9:42, I think, a.m. And they didn't call us for 2 hours, and then we got over there. So he was parked for like 2.5 hours or so.
Giving them 2 hours, 2.5 hours of parking?
Yeah. Auto?
Yes, ma'am. I'm checking to see if y'all towed in a black Ford issue with a Tennessee tag.
Yes, sir. I believe we did pick that one up. Where was it located?
It was down here at the Rod Run, in front of it. I guess it's Adventure Racing.
Okay.
Whatever that park thing is.
Okay, yes, sir. Give me just 1 second. Let me transfer you really quick.
Yes, sir. Covin with Everything Auto.
Yes, sir. Checking on a black Ford F-150 with a Murray County, Tennessee tag.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that was picked up over there from Crave Golf Club.
Where was it?
Crave Golf Club.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we did pick that one up.
Where's it at?
It's at our lot at 221 Newman Road. That's in Gatlinburg.
How far is that from how far is that from, say, where you picked it up at?
Depending on traffic, probably 20, 25 minutes.
20, 25 minutes? Do we have to go over the mountain, or?
No, it's just there in Gatlinburg, downtown Gatlinburg.
Okay, man, I'm sorry, I don't know my way. If we pulled out from that parking spot, would we go to the left or to the right?
You would go left out of there.
Go left?
Yes, sir. And I guess are you the registered owner of the vehicle?
My brother's standing right here, he is.
Okay. He will need to be there for the release, and as long as his ID is present and matches the registration of the vehicle, we can release it to you. The cost associated with the tow is and that has to be cash.
Okay. Okay. So, all right. Well, we'll find a way over there then. What time you close?
As long as you can give me a call roughly 30 minutes before you're going to be there, I can meet you over there really whenever.
Okay. We're going to try to find a ride and get over there pretty quick. So.
Okay. Yeah, like I said, as long as you...
I'll call you back when we're on our way then.
Okay, perfect. Thanks, sir. Hello, Everything Auto?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Everything Auto?
Yeah, I just talked to you. You told me Ford pickup truck in.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 150. Can you bring it back to the Willowbrook?
I'm sorry?
Walls?
I'm sorry?
Can you bring my truck back to the Willowbrook where you told it?
No, sir. We can't do that, unfortunately. I'm sorry. I'm having a really hard time hearing you.
Have you got it there now?
Yes, sir. Yeah, it's over at our lot.
How did you tow it with it? Tow it with it roll back?
No, sir. We did auto, loader, and dollies.
Okay. Okay. See you.
Yes, sir. We're coming to pick up the black Ford pickup.
Okay.
Murray County tag. We'll be there in about 20, 25 minutes.
Okay. Alrighty. I will get a truck heading that way.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Oh! How are we going to get it out of there?
Sir, please stop pulling on the gate.
Is there anybody here to let us in?
He's on his way. He'll be there shortly. Please do not pull on the gate.
We're not on the gate.
You're here for the F-150? Yeah. Okay. You said you're the registered owner? You're the registered owner? Okay. You have your ID? You have the keys on you. Okay. You're going to follow me in and just let me take a peek at that registration just so I can match it to your ID. And I can release that to you, and I've got the receipt written up for you in cash. And then this was on here. This is from Crave, or tow warning from Crave that they put on your windshield defender. So there's that. Like I said, after I get the cash, then I can give you this receipt. It's got to break down all of our information up here, your vehicle information, where we picked it up, where we took it to.
Man, that price negotiable at all.
Sorry.
That price negotiable at all.
It's not.
That seems pretty high.
It's just our legally parked vehicles are all the same price.
Well, was in a handicap. That handicap's there.
That doesn't mean you weren't at Crave though.
We walked to the motel next door.
Next door.
Friends up here for right, man.
Like I said, you've been parked there for over 2.5 hours whenever they called me, and then you guys didn't call me until another 2 hours after that. So it had been over almost close to 5 hours that had been parked there, and they left that there. And like I said, it just makes it super tough on them. They've got limited handicap spots.
Well, I didn't know. They need to have it on the sign.
We were down there
They have signs.
there wasn't that many parking. I mean, it is what it is.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Let's
Like
get
you
in.
said.
You know, get your restoration.
What you got there?
There's that for you. And as long as you've got the keys, I'll drive it out there for you. Insurance just won't let you guys drive on a lot, unfortunately.
Okay, there.
I'll drive it out. Yeah,
We
right.
get a receipt for that.
Yeah, that's the receipt right here. It's got all of our information on there. How we towed it. Like I said, we lift dollies. And if you have any other questions, this is all of our information right there. But just so you guys know, if you're trying to park for the car show, I'm assuming any of those spots that are along the parkway, if you would have parked along the parkway, you would have been fine. You'd have been fine.
Well, I
there.
always park in handicap, you know, just.
Well, the thing of it, okay, it was down there on the construction end where they're redoing some of that park thing.
Right.
I mean, no construction workers or anything. I mean, when we pulled in there, there was probably 4 or 5 spots there.
Right.
And so we thought, okay, this is under construction. They're not working today.
Right.
We didn't see. To be honest with you, I didn't even know it was part of that. I just thought it was maybe
okay.
just another business that was
Yeah.
down at the moment.
Yeah, no, like I said, it was just Crave, that mini golf spot right there. They've got very limited. I'm pretty sure that might be their only handicap parking spot there, and then they're up and operating, so it just makes it tough on them. But if you're parking any of those spots, like I said, that are lined up along the parkway there, you're free to park there. That's all state, so you can't be towed. Can't be towed from any of that stuff. But any of the stuff that's further in along any of those properties there, they can call for
I mean,
anything
we've been
like
up
that.
there many times, but we never had that issue.
Yeah.
Today.
Yeah. No, it gets crazy, but yeah, like I said, I'll drive it up there for you.
Make sure we ain't got this.
Yeah, I looked under there.
So y'all have been in the vehicle?
I'm sorry. No, sir, we don't need to be inside the vehicle.
You gotta drive it out, or can we drive it out?
I'll have to drive it out right outside the gate. Thanks, sir. I'm gonna move this cone really quick.
$100, that's a real fault.
Uh.
It is really.
No, it's just expensive to run the business, but I'm sorry.
I hear just doing your job.
Yes, sir. But I hope you guys have a good rest of your trip.
Thank you. Careful. Careful. That'd be a long drop, man, I tell you.
That would not be a good time.
Why would you tighten that?
So it doesn't fall off onto somebody.
Now it's gonna be harder for me to get out.
Just for that, I'm gonna make you do all the heavy lifting.
Oh,
Just this time.
just this time?